G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and today I am here with a fun unboxing for you. I'm just opening up a delivery from forever.com. Forever.com provides online storage, digitization services and printing. So let's open up and see what I've printed. These items came really quickly to me in Australia. They took 8 days to arrive and I was very impressed because that was just the standard shipping. It wasn't even express. So it just took me a little while to get into this box because they're super secure and they have that tape with the reinforcing thread, but we've got inside. Now let's see what's there. So it's all packed up beautifully. We've got some paper just to cushion the printed items, and I've got a couple of scrapbooks here. This is the first one. It's Holiday Faves 2022. This next book is a deluxe lay flat album about my son's birthdays through the years, and another Christmas album coming up. That's 2023 Holiday Faves. And that one is a standard photo book with magazine papers. And then here I've gone ahead and ordered a fun hardcover diary or planner, I guess you might call it, for 2025. And then I have printed some Forever cards with envelopes. They're just thank yous for my clients. And finally, we have a spiral bound planner, and that one is the one we're going to focus on in this video. I wanted to show you the new Forever diaries and how they look. So this planner has monthly and weekly spreads, but you can of course customize them to however suits you. So we've got 2 planners, cards, and 3 photo books, and they've all arrived safe and sound thanks to the shrink wrapping and the paper packaging. So now I've got something brand new. It is the Forever notebook, or planner, sorry, it's spiral bound. And it's customizable with a photo. It's just got a glossy plain back. Belongs to goals, a few note pages, month, and then it's got 3, 4, 5 week pages, and then a month page. So you can use it for any month. It's obviously self-dating, and then it's just through there, and you can just, I'm really excited to give this planner a go. And I love that it's undated, so you could just use it for a busy week here or there, or just, you know, you could even use it for different purposes, the front half of the book, or the back half, or whatever. It's beautiful. So I think there's 168 pages. Is that right? Anyway, it's got enough months for a whole year. So that is the spiral bound planner. Okay, so here is the hardbound planner from Forever. I'm very excited to see how this works. Just to try to open it a bit more. Take that shrink wrap off. Ooh. And it has a beautiful matte finish. I love it. You can peel at the corner to remove this little logo. I popped that photo. It's customizable. You can change the fonts and everything. I just thought I would use this as my planner for my business next year. It's got the belongs to page and some notes. few pages of notes. And then it has the month, and then it has the year. Month and then a week. So each month I have 5-week pages and then another month. So you can use it for any week, any months of the year. And you know, thanks to BookTok, I know I'll have to put them and you know, exercise the spine, which you can see the binding there. And yeah, I'm really excited to give this a go. I love how flexible it is, because if I don't actually need to use it for every week, I can always skip a month or a week and just come straight back to it. So I wanted to get that one to show you one of the new products at Forever. And, you know, I guess I'll have to do some pen tests and let you know which pens work well on it. But I really love this matte finish. And I don't know who designs the cute paper. I assume that was an in-house Forever design, but if it was you, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and then click on the down arrow and select all, so you'll be notified each time I release a new video. And if you'd like to learn more, you can always head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.